Hi, Julie Jarmolowski with the K Grant Group and My Home Group. Andrea and I are back in Village Grove, and we're so excited to share with you this recent remodel. One of the things that we know as professional real estate agents here in the Scottsdale area is how important curb appeal is. And so we wanted to point out a few things to you. Take a look at the beautiful artificial grass. That's going to ensure that you always have evergreen and your place always looks beautiful. The fire pit is a gorgeous, gorgeous addition to this home. It is gas, and can you imagine sitting out here having a beverage and waving at your neighbors? I'm going to show you the patio in just a second, but it's going to tie it all together for you. Look at the plants that they put in. These are cactus, so they're low maintenance, perfect for our area. And if you notice and you want to do your do-it-yourself kind of stuff and save some money, you can buy these lighting fixtures at Lowe's. You just stick them in the ground. They're solar and they light up the house gorgeous at night. Let's come on around and take a look at the patio. This is where I see us sitting, maybe together, right? Sitting here having a beverage, waving at our neighbors as they walk their dogs and their babies. Isn't it beautiful? It's huge. If you'd like more information about this house or any other here in the Village Grove area, give us a call. Julie and Andrea with the K Grant Group and My Home Group.